Hi teachers, this is Julie DeLeon and I wanted to show you really quick how to assign ebooks through Reader's Workshop on Benchmark Universe, and also I want to show you what that would look like on the student's view. So that might help you right now as you're thinking about doing this. So make sure that you are logged on to Benchmark Universe through the class link. If you try to go through Schoology, if there's a link on Schoology, that won't help you. You have to be going through the class link. So I'm going to click Reader's Workshop. I'm going to select the grade over here that I want, so I'm just going to say first grade. And I want to make sure that over here the assignments button is clicked. It's yellow, so it's ready. Then I'm going to scroll down to find my small group resources, and let's just say I would like to assign a level D book for a small group. So I'm going to, let's just say we'll use I Can Help. We're going to drag it into this materials assigned area. We're going to type the name. So I'll just say small group test. You can give some instructions if you have those. If not, I'm going to go down to students. You need to select your students. I have these pretend students, so I'm going to select this one. I'm going to say done. Then I'm going to scroll down and select the start date and the end date. So I'll say today. Then you save and see how it says successfully saved. That's all it takes. Now I'm going to pause and sign in as a student so you can see what it looks like on the other end. Okay, we're back and now we're signed into the training student account. You can see the student dashboard. This is what your students will see. And you see where it says assignments. This is where the ebooks will go. You see there's a little notification, so that lets them know that there's 2 assignments waiting for them. You can click it, and then you can see here is the assignment that I just gave them. It's a small group test, so I can click that. And then here is where they can access it. I hope this helped you out, and if you have any questions, always feel free to reach out. Thanks so much. Thank you for all you're doing.